This film shows you how, using a loft conversion as an example, Fermacell can allow you to undertake projects that you may previously have considered too difficult. These days, energy conservation is important, as selection of the correct thermal insulation will save both energy and money in heating costs. The choice of insulation materials is extensive. Selection of the most appropriate one will depend not only on the building regulations, but also a wide range of considerations, including the depth of construction available and the nature of the build. A well-insulated structure, when used in conjunction with Fermacell, can also contribute significantly to acoustic privacy. To ensure that the construction complies with building regulations, it's recommended that a 0.2 mm polythene film is installed as a vapor control layer and to ensure air tightness. The sheets are overlapped approximately 250 mm and taped at joints and edges. Large holes or penetrations should be carefully sealed to ensure the continuity of the membrane. Care should also be taken at junctions between walls and adjoining structures. Once this work is complete, the installation of the substructure for the Fermacell boards can be commenced. The size of roof battens and stud-work depends on the space between rafters. The substructure is installed in the following order: upstands, roof slope and ceiling. Spacing of the vertical studs in the upstand when using one-man boards is 500 mm. For other formats, please refer to our instruction manual or the website. The spacing of the studs for lining the other surfaces will depend on the board format and thickness. For one-man boards, we recommend 335 mm. The battens are typically fixed to rafters and joists with screws. Where rafters are uneven, this may be corrected using special screws. Alternatively, pneumatically applied nails or staples may be used to affix the studwork. Here a timber wedge is used to ensure the battens are level. Since brickwork and the roof construction expand and contract at different rates, a space must be left between the roof battens and the wall to allow for movement. The first fix of services can now take place. For optimum energy conservation, a transverse layer of insulation may be installed between the horizontal battens. The initial work is now complete and boarding out with Fermacell can now begin. Transporting and handling Fermacell is easy. The one-man board format of 1.5 by 1 metre in 10 mm thickness means tight spaces can be negotiated with ease. No special equipment is needed for fixing Fermacell. During installation, the boards should be fixed to the soffit, the undersides of the roof slopes and the upstand walls, in that order. This sequence gives benefits for the subsequent jointing process. Fermacell can be fixed to studs with Fermacell cross-slot screws or with galvanized resonated staples. boards should be fixed from the centre outwards, or from one side to the other. Fixings to ceilings and the undersides of roof slopes should be at 150mm centres. Fermacell boards have strong impact-resistant edges. This allows fixings to be made up to 10mm from the edge without the edges splitting off. When jointing, after the boards are installed, a space of 5 to 7mm should be left between the edges of the boards. A similar gap should be left between the boards and other building finishes.